Check. Socket. Check.
Friend, mga 10 minutes start tayo.
Kayong tatlo. Ako na lang magaganto. Sige.
Check, check. Hey, song. Check. Check, check. Check.
Once again, good morning everyone and welcome to Ethan's Christening celebration. We would like to announce that our program will start in 10 minutes. So while you guys are waiting, our photo booth is still open. Sa lahat po ng gusto magpakuha ng kanilang photo souvenirs. In our celebration, feel free to visit our photo booth located on my left. Nasa left side po ng ating hall, ng ating photo booth area. Also, we have some food carts for your pleasures. We have some pika-pika po. It's located naman po on my right near the entrance of our hall. Again, the celebration will start in a bit. Maraming salamat.
Hey, song.
Mag-vlog ka na,
Check.
Liva. Mag-vlog ka na.
Oo, ito marami rin tao.